Hello friend, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you very much. I am late at long time with my channel, create my videos. Please subscribe my channel and your like, comment, share valuable. I can today's my videos and presentation how to make money this affiliate. This is start now affiliate marketing. Step by step, I can provide my videos. Okay, I am opening my screen. I can search on Google search bar how to start in affiliate marketing. I can search on Google search bar. Google can you provide the lot of information. The number one, the how to start an affiliate marketing. Number one, find a niche, your related niche, how to work this niche, and number two, choose an affiliate program as like affiliate program and clickbank, Amazon, etc., etc., eBay, lot of affiliate program, CJ, Commission Junction, etc. Number three, the create content to build your trust. How to go. Number five, grow your audience, your targeted audience, how to collect audience, and number six, response and chat with your audience. The nicely presentation, the people asked two question, how can you start an affiliate marketing in a beginner? Discuss and a niche. A niche is the stem and of the make difference by its own and unique chat and critic, and choose your affiliate platform, and you review and the making affiliate marketing program, create and valuable content, and this build an audience, follow FTC regular, and you don't need etc. I can just Google search bar and a lot of affiliate program, the affiliate marketing for beginner and 2002, then Shopify, and the affiliate market beginner from who is at Azrab, and Shopify affiliate, how to start an affiliate marketing 2024. The lot of website how to start an affiliate marketing on money, and this is the course, the affiliate marketing, what is the how to great start and core course. Just I am lot of the Neil Patel, the complete guide to affiliate marketing. I open the Neil Patel. The complete guide of affiliate program, the Neil Patel. The Shopify is a very excellent Shopify, lot of and affiliate marketing for beginners. You start guides and Shopify. How to new to affiliate marketing suite and learn everything need to know about starting your first affiliate marketing business in the guides. The lot of guides, the affiliate marketing, e-commerce page, expert and SaaS, data shows and marketing, how to affiliate marketing, how to start in affiliate marketing, what are the beginner on affiliate marketing, how much can make a new affiliate marketing, each and affiliate marketing, how to affiliate marketing work. The affiliate marketing work is a model when is companies and pay for part-time and sales and product or service, and the niche and the social media influencer promote product. There are affiliate marketing, and this recommending product or service and audience as part on the affiliate program will be commission and the CR. There are choose the affiliate marketing program will be receive unique, and there choose will always the complete and track and customer and send where when the customer and product and link and arts and commission. This is the demograph, the how affiliate work. This is the shows and the total earn in the program. Number one, promote, store a your website, blog, and social network. Number two, someone click your unique link. Number three, there are rules and stored. Number four, the complete the affiliate network reside and transit earn this the store. I can search. On the affiliate store because an influencer how to start an affiliate marketing, discuss on a niche, choose your affiliate platform. I can often this is the platform I can niche you choose the find and their build your audience and if you fake. This is the five question on the affiliate marketing and opening the number one to just reloading my friend. Number one, the affiliates niche and discuss on what their your niche. A niche is the something in the longer market defined by site and own unique and characteristics, and because you're especially and the traffics people will know you for the travel towards a unique and affiliate marketing niche is the well part on their try homes and the top of marketing influencing the buys in the technology, writing, health and finance, fashion and lifestyle. You can choose the five categories: the how to study a niche, technology, wealth and building and health and fitness, fashion and beauty and lifestyle. You can choose the five products and five niche instead than affiliate marketing. There are you will option the course. There are handles of affiliate marketing niche able to show do able to show do you go about the finding and publicity and who is the niche and consider by following do you earn to more the niche you will the because subject matter experience with the traffics over by consider the learning and the state to traffics and train. You can you solve problem the affiliate marketing often have especially train and experience specialized. There are give their new way to present information and help people solve the problem. It is the portable, the rank and quick star charts on Google, race and complete and read in the response and who popular niche in beige and men's in this device. The goal, the choose your niche to enjoy you won't be met. The six filters overcome the writing affiliate business taken the commission and time. If you already enjoy doing, you have more to make money on this development. Thank you very much. Thus I can see and the niche.